To record a payment, the invoice must be in sent status. Please send by email or mark as sent the invoice first. Click the Receive Payment button. Fill out the form. Notice that the Amount Received field is pre-filled with the invoice balance. To record a partial payment, simply change this amount. Click Save. To record another payment, click Receive Payment again. The system will pre-fill the Amount Received field with the outstanding balance. Fill out the form and click Save. To edit payment records, click the Payments tab. Click the payment number to edit the record. The payment details will open in a side panel. If needed, click Open in New tab. Click the More Options button to export to PDF, print, or delete the record. Click the Edit button to make changes. Edit the payment, then click Save. Click the invoice number to return to the invoice screen. On the Payments Received index screen, click Add Payment. Select the customer for whom you want to record payments. Only customers with outstanding invoices will appear in the list. Click Next. Fill out the form. Notice how the amount received you enter is automatically distributed among the outstanding invoices. Alternatively, you can manually enter the payment amount for each invoice. The system will automatically update the total amount received. Click Save.